Alright, so I just decided to make a quick little video instead of trying to explain everything through a series of screenshots with text and arrows and circles and all that. So there's a couple main things that I use this app for. I use this panel a lot, so instead of having to go to the website all the time, I just pulled the WX app and I can just very quickly check the convective outlooks. I can see current watches, fire weather, mesoscale discussions, just all your usual stuff. And then here, basically these 5 panels right here. These are some models, kind of some of the best ones, honestly, like main ones that I use. So you got your HRRR right here, all your usual parameters, products, I guess you could say. You can select different regions of the US. But quite frankly, these two models are the ones that I use in this app the most. I love ensemble models because, you probably know what ensembles are, but if you don't, it basically will do multiple runs. In this case, it's usually like 30 of them with slightly different parameters, and then it'll average them all out, basically giving you just kind of the most likely solution. Because if it remains pretty consistent between all 30 members, then that's probably going to be your solution. And I just love the graphics. I just love everything about it. I just love how it looks. Oops, see, I selected members, but you get the idea. So there's that, and then there's SREF, which is another ensemble model, but a little bit further range. Like, I can't scroll. I have to do this really silly way. That's why you see this thing down here. I have to do this goofy way to get this pointer, and the only problem with it is I can't do certain things. Like I can't drag because it just drags the pointer, but you get the idea. And then what is this one? Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of different stuff in here. So you got surface observations in here. You got satellite in here. I believe this is just the mesoscale analysis page in general, actually, yeah. So this is all current parameters. Yeah, so this is basically just the mesoscale analysis page condensed into a mobile form right in that little panel. So all that's super useful. Obviously, storm reports, you got a nice little drop down right here to let you look at previous days super easily. And then in the miscellaneous tab, this is more of a weather prediction center kind of product page, although there's a couple useful things for storm prediction mixed in here. You got the GES, GEFS, I should say. Yeah, Global Environmental Forecast System. Basically an offshoot of GFS that's designed specifically just for weather forecasting, not so much severe weather forecasting. You got satellite. You get the idea. If you poke around and prod and play with a bunch of this stuff, you'll be able to figure it out. This is another way to view HRRR. Yes, and WRF. And another thing in here, yeah, you can view RAP. And then NAM is over here, along with a bunch of other models, including GFS. But yeah, you get the idea. And then the other very important thing with this app is actually up here with these 3 dots. If you select those, go to settings, you can set your locations. I have Texas and Oklahoma City. You can select your colors, a whole bunch of different radar settings, which we'll get to the radar last. I didn't even know you could change that, actually. Oh, shoot, that's actually really cool. Local next rad radar. Let's try this. So homepage, local. I'll have to play around with that some more. But you get the idea. You can change a bunch of stuff. Observations, another way to see current data. Pretty nice. I also like the graphics in here a lot. I mostly just use it for dew point. But, just your traditional kind of observation map. And then the final thing that I love using this for is soundings. Boom. And it just pulls up because you can set your location. I have mine set to Fort Worth, obviously. But if you drop down here, it gives you a nice little map, and you can select observed soundings for anywhere. And it just makes it super easy to keep up with them. So that's really about it. Okay, I think that's just your local forecast. I'm not sure what this. Oh, okay, satellite. And then what is this? Warnings. Yeah, okay. Final thing, that little lightning bolt. That is how you view radar. That's how you select radar sites. Let's go down to that current cell that we got right now. Boom. I'll probably need to re-enable roads, but you can see there's the. Oh, shoot. I don't even. Whoa. Why is it zooming out so darn much? I don't get it. But you get it. Just all your standard products. Pretty run of the mill. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why it's zooming out, but yeah, that's about it. Rest is pretty self-explanatory. Just SPC, miscellaneous, radar, three dots up top, soundings. But yeah, I highly recommend this app for any weather weenie or forecaster. Appreciate you watching.